Well, good morning. This is our first visit to Caravan and Motorhome Club site, otherwise known as a CL or Certified Location. And this one is Hollymount, which is very close to Ross-on-Wye. Let me take you for a round. So this is the entrance to the site, and I'll just clip in our arrival taken from our dash cam for you. Now we are heading north on the A49 towards Ross-on-Wye, and you go past some little cottages there and then immediately get in the left hand lane. But be aware, if you're coming south from the Ross-on-Wye area, there's this road that you have to cross, and you've just got to cross 2 lanes of traffic at that point. So we'll turn left here and we go up this little lane, which fortunately has a little lay-by just inside, as you will very shortly see. Thankfully, it's only about 300 or so meters up this road that we have to go, which is quite narrow here, but it doesn't take long before it opens out a bit, and then we will arrive. As we come into the site, we have this sign just here. It says please stop and check your pitch, because just over here is a notice board, and that notice board is where you come to look to see where you're going. And the CL site is just here. Now motorhomes don't come onto this CL site, but motorhome drivers need not fret. There's a special site for you and anyone that would like a hard stand-in. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a water point just there. Look for that in a second. Anyway, if we continue past the CL site and go up the lane, this is, by the way, a working farm, so there is a little bit of farm noise, but it's not much at all. But fortunately it's a fruit farm. And there you can just see the water point, which is in the CL field. Oh, some lovely fruits. And just round the corner here is the hard stand-ins. There's 5 hard stand-in pitches, and they're all down there, all surrounded by this beautiful orchard. Flat bags only go in here, and they're collected daily, which is very good. And just here you've got a hosing down hose, and this is where you deposit your chemical toilet. It's also good for motorhomes to get rid of their grey waste, etc. Grey waste, by the way, is water in the trees, so make sure you bring that extra long hose. Electric points are not too badly placed. There we go, look, hard standing to the right, and we can go up here because there's yet another site up here for 5. So the total occupancy of this site is 15. 5 on the CL site, 5 on the hard standing, and 5 on the one that's right at the top of the orchard. So I'll take you up there now. It doesn't take long to walk. The owners are really helpful and super nice, and we've just spent 5 days here, and we will definitely come back again. Absolutely. And here we go, the farm site is indicated just here. When we first came along here, we thought these were all plums, but we understand on good authority they're an apple. I'm not sure what they're called, but evidently if you cut them open, they've got a red core to them. If you know what they are, please drop it in the comments below. Get more orchards. Now the nice thing about this site is that you're allowed to walk all the way around the orchards. They ask you not to go through the centre of the cordons, but quite happy for you to walk round and enjoy, and dogs are welcome on a lead. we go. This is the top site. Note there's no ground sheets. He likes to keep his grass green. And he does move the pitches around a little bit in order to save wear and tear. I should add, of course, that Wi-Fi is freely available, although we have our own onboard Wi-Fi, and we're with EE, and we're getting something like 180 megabits download and 115 upload. Caravan with 3 is not quite as good, but it's still in the 80s. That gorgeous views. I think if we came back here, we definitely want to site up here, or pitch up here. Definitely. You probably can't see it, but you probably can't see it, but over there is the spire of Ross-on-Wye Church, which is about 7-minute drive away. It's got all the facilities you might need. There's a little farm shop just down the up to the top, about 2.7 miles away. It's quite expensive, but we had burgers from there at the weekend, so we had guests arrive. And it was lovely, very tasty. So that is it. That wraps Hollymount CL Site near Ross-on-Wye. So the cost here, it cost us £20 per night for caravan and awning. I think the website actually says something about from £15. But Andrew was telling us that he's now put the price up to £20 a night, and this is in July, or the end of July 2024. It's great at night. Not only do you get to see all these swallows diving around, but you get to hear the owls twitter-wooing, especially at 4 o'clock in the morning. Seems to be a really good time to hear our owls. Anyway, if you come here, we hope you enjoy it as much as we have.